So it's just a reminder na kaya mo yan. So I just woke up and I had this dream. Basically, nagkikwento ako sa kanya na madami siyang placement sa Pisces, and tinanong ko lang sa kanya kung madami rin ba siyang placement sa Scorpio. You know, sometimes when you talk to a person tapos may iba na pala silang iniisip. So ayun yung nangyari dun sa dream. So sinasabi ko sa kanya na having these things in your chart kind of makes your life extra difficult. So this person actually was already thinking na parang hirap-hirap, na ayaw niya na ng gantong klaseng hirap. Anyway, to cut the story short, after the dream, I realized that there is actually, and all throughout my readings from many different charts already of different people, this is what I've realized, na may kalakip talaga na grace towards those who have a more challenging type of a chart. There's an equivalent grace na nakalakip para doon. Kumbaga may grace na nakareserba para sa'yo so that you can accomplish things na either binigay sa'yo or pinili mo na gawin during this lifetime.